Hey guys, I am Dr. Anthony Gustin, and here to answer the question, is ketosis healthy? So we have a huge amount of disagreement here. Is ketogenic diet going to kill you from a heart attack, or is it something that promotes all this health, weight loss, and decreased inflammation? So the answer is both. It can be unhealthy and healthy. So the problem here is that ketosis, what it is basically just a state of your metabolism. Are you running on the breakdown of fat, which are ketones, and are those in your bloodstream or not? That's all ketosis really means, and so it doesn't really give you an indication of if you're healthy or if you're not. So the bad part about this is that you can technically be in ketosis, but be eating really shitty food. And so if you're eating just bacon, cheese sticks, cream cheese, dipped in butter, and not working out, eating really low quality food, you're gonna create a lot of oxidative environment in your body and a lot of inflammation, and you're gonna have a lot of fat in there, so that's not good. That's a perfect storm for bad health, actually. But if you do this in a whole food way, you need a lot of wild and unprocessed food, so wild meat, grass-fed meat, a lot of produce, and really high quality fats. This is actually the most healthy form of a diet that a human can have, and decreases the amount of inflammation that you have, makes weight loss easy, makes brain function easy, makes a lot of performance easy, but you must focus on food quality. So general rule of thumb is, if I were to put this food out on my counter, would it spoil in 2 weeks? And if the answer is no, then you probably shouldn't be eating it. And that kind of is going to go into the camp of the dirty keto. So we're going to have a lot more videos and breaking this down, exactly what you should be eating, exactly what you should be avoiding to make a ketogenic diet healthy for you and to make sure you're not eating all this processed crap. So if you guys have any questions or concerns about if keto diet is right for you or if it can be healthy or unhealthy, just pop them below in the comments. Give me a like, and if you want to hear more, I answer all questions on my Instagram, so go ahead and give me a follow there and reach out. So just Dr. Anthony Gustin on Instagram, and we'll see you guys next time.